Hello and welcome, and this is Peter, and the first thing I'd like to say is thank you very much for dropping by this video today. I really appreciate you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we all know that everyone has very short attention span on videos. So this video is a very brief introduction on how to map between 6,000 and 8,000 fields per work month. If you're as skillful as me, you're using target models like we do, and you're using the SeETL C++ engine like we have, you can get to around 6,000 to 8,000 fields mapped per month, which is remarkable. And this video is just a very short taste to get you interested to watch the longer and more detailed video. Okay? So the purpose of this video is to give you in just 5 minutes an overview of what is in the 1 hour video. So I'll just take you over to the production machine. And here we are in a little prod machine that I have. We have a spreadsheet called pre-mappings. We put into this spreadsheet a view name for the mapping name, the primary source table, the target source tables, or the secondary source tables, the target source table, the from clause. You can see that's a from clause. A where clause. That's all we put into the pre-mappings. We come out to a command. We run the command. Okay, so we enter information into a spreadsheet. We run a command. This command merely puts this spreadsheet into the database. So we can see that that's the name of the spreadsheet and the version. This was the view you saw. This is the primary source table. This is the secondary source tables. This is the target table. This was our from clause. This is our where clause. Just to show you that's exactly what it's done. Move that data into the table. We then come over here. We see a select mapping SS99. We execute that. We get this output back. We click on use flag. We click over here, we hit copy without headers, and we go to our demo. You see this says demo. We'll scroll down because this was from the previous demonstration. We'll hit paste, and voila. We have here a 90% complete mapping. All the lookup fields are here for this table, this web download item transaction. All the lookup keys have been added. The char keys for lookups have been added. All the source fields from all the source tables mentioned have been added and put into this area here. So what's left to do is to fill out these columns if you want any name changes. Fill out these columns if you want any name changes. To feed the keys into the lookups, and any manipulation you want done in the SQL coming out of the view, put into these columns. And here's our from clause, and here's our where clause, and this mapping spreadsheet can then be put through SeETL to generate real life SQL in the SQL generation engine, or generate the source views and target views if you're just going to use the older C++ engine. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is 3 minutes and 51 seconds of the very brief demonstration of how this works. Now, as I said, this is going to be a 5-minute video. So, if you want to go and see the full 1 hour video that goes through what you just saw here in depth to show you how it's possible to map something like 6,000 to 8,000 fields per work month, please feel free to view the next detailed video. Okay? And that's it for this very short introduction of how do I map 6,000 to 8,000 fields per work month in an ETL subsystem. Okay? With that, thank you very much for listening, and bye for now.